Di pa ka naman pakutan ka. Ma'am, ready na ba ka, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Sarnada Solar. Today, I'm going to demonstrate transfer bed to patient bed to wheelchair and wheelchair to bed. The purpose of this is to mobility independence of the patient and comfort and positioning, hygiene and personal care. Avoid bed sores, ma'am. Avoid bed sores and safety and fall prevention. Pneumonia, ma'am.
Komplikasyon ng tao sa ganda. Bed sore, pneumonia,
And
saka
Mato, ma'am. Safety and fall prevention, ma'am.
thrombophlebitis, bali maklat ang iyang dito sa aliyang dulostilan o may mobility.
Okay.
O may mobility niya. Isa pa, nakaisang
Contracture.
bili tayo mga magbubang yung mga tools na pasabol mo nila. Ha? So, unang complication of mobile patient. Pneumonia.
Contracture. The bed sore. Thrombophlebitis. Before we go to proceed to the procedure, do the 12 sequence, read and check the chart of the patient, then knock on the patient's room for courtesy. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sarnada Solar. May I know your name, ma'am? Then security check the status of the patient. Then, tell the patient about the procedure. Ma'am, we're going to have a room, ma'am. We're going to roam around, ma'am. So, telling the procedure to the patient, do the vital signs. After doing the vital signs, ask permission to leave, ma'am, and go to leave you here for a while to get the materials, then right side, raise and back. Then go to the nurse station to get the materials. Knock on the patient's room again for courtesy. Then place the wheelchair at the strong side of the patient.
Left affected part, left.
Left, ma'am. In 45 degrees angle. Then pull the top sheet in horizontal fan folding. Then raise the nearest arm, then the farthest arm at the abdomen. Then bend the knee. Position the patient to lateral position.
Ayan po, partners. Partners, ito, ipataas na ang
Moderate.
Uy! Diba, lagi?
Let's see kung anong tiyak.
Wala pa.
Then position the patient in the lateral position.
sige ko may bago. Di ka, eh. Abtik kayo pa rin ba? Abtik.
Take mga upper arms. Then let's see.
Uy, natuwag na na. Ituwag. Katukod ang yes. Strong arm. Katukod. Katukod ang yes. Strong arm. Okay. Kaya ba? Uy. Mga yes siya. Itukod. Nagalit yung abtik. Itukod.
Put the strong arm at the to support.
Pa-exercise. Anak ka. Kaya ko. Ma'am, can you exercise your legs, ma'am? Masag din na siya.
At pasagdagan ko.
Oo, masagdan siya ka. Ma'am, kaliwag ko kuya ma'am, exercise your legs. Ang purpose na pula na, huwag na huwag niyo buwapon ang tila kasi kung bumigda na. Di ba, buwapon ko yun. Wala yung strength. That's why you have to exercise.
Ayaw mo yun.
Ha?
Ayaw mo yun. Nawa ang
Mawa ko mo yun.
Then, I got mom now. Get the belt and place the weight. Big arm.
Okay na, kung ikabaho na yung alam lang na kasi ka na transfer. Patong na rin. Pero wala din mo yung mga yan. Yung kasama ni Pao, si Bato, yung si Luspad, ha? Kasi na rin mga diba, nila po.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaya magpaan mo sa musiro, kumuha sa ibay, pangsan sa ibay.
Ano, yun na naman, ma'am.
Importante rin na.
Then, wrap the strong leg, ma'am, no?
Wait,
Ay, ang weak.
Ay, pagkarong ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Dali po ba lang sa iyo? Okay. Ang iyang strong arm, ang ito ka.
Strong arm.
Ito ang sa'yo hawak. Ayaw sa sa'yo na hawak. Yan. Please. Okay, pivot.
And do the pivot. Then, twist,
Oh.
twist. Twist. Twist.
Oh, ato. Ayaw. Ayaw. Upward. Ato ka sa ilikod.
Okay.
Ato ka sa ilikod. You pull the patient towards the back. Back press. Okay. Twist or pull. Anak. Okay. Mas mayo yun, anak. Ay, may fitness na iba yun.
Place the
Oh, mga nakagwantis mo, ganun ba ulit sa sapatos? Okay, tawin. Ha? Oo. Wala ka naman po.
and get the towel for patient's privacy. Then get the belt. Remove the belt.
Okay, isa ka sa stairway, isa ka. Okay. Sige, good. Kita rin, the patient is away. Naiklat na rin mo kayo. Iklat na rin mo. Iklat na rin mo na. Iklat ang bed.
Then, unlock the wheelchair and ready to roll. Then, on the flat surface, I need to just push and walk. Then going upstairs, use the left foot and lift.
Nalamig sa ka sa pasimpiya, basang tuwan.
Okay,
Ma'am, I'm going to tilt your wheelchair slightly.
okay. Now I'm going to tilt your wheelchair slightly. So use the left foot and tilt. Left upstairs. Then going down, backwards. Then support the other knee at the back of the patient. Then step, step, down, step, down, patient's room at the opposite side of the bed. First is remove the footrest. Then remove the towel. Then get the belt. Place it on the weak arm of the patient. Then, sa front ang mag-tilt niya ang then twist. And you twist forward. Right, left.
Nakalak ang wheelchair ba yun? Nakalak.
Yes, ma'am. Then, place the strong arm of the patient at the sternum. Then, that's one, and three. Do a 5-1.
Ay, mga kailangan ko down.
Then,
Kasama niya. Yan. One leg at a time. Here sa the center.
remove the belt. Then remove the shoes. Fine, ma'am. Fine.
O, side na, side.
Then, this is the patient.
Ang mukha naman, side ito.
This is the patient.
Okay, side sa side.